Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the experimental proof of displacement reaction between copper sulfate and zinc metal. As we all know, zinc is very reactive. It will replace copper from copper sulfate solution, and as a product zinc sulfate and copper will be formed. For performing this experiment we required clean conical flask, copper sulfate crystals or powder. They are Persian blue in color. A beaker of clean water. It will be better to take distilled water, but tap water also work. As a metal I have taken zinc granules, which are the small pieces of zinc metal. First of all, take a clean conical flask and add few amount of water in it. You can take random amount of water. There is no requirement of accurate amount. After this you can add few gram of copper sulfate powder or crystals. Now you have to stir it for few seconds to make a saturated solution of copper sulfate solution. It should be clean and there should not be any lumps present in it. After this step you can add few granules of zinc metal. Instead of zinc metal you can also take iron metal. As zinc metal is very reactive, it will start replacing the copper from copper sulfate solution. But make sure that you have to mix the solution after every 5 minutes. It will take 30 to 40 minutes depend upon how much substance you have added into it. Now, the 5 minutes later, let's mix the solution. According to the reactivity series, zinc is moderately reactive. If we take more reactive metal like sodium and potassium, the reaction will be extremely fast. The reaction is going on in a conical flask as the color is fading. You have to mix properly and gently so that the maximum amount of copper will be precipitated out. Now the color is changed. You can stir the solution and pour into the filter paper. Depend upon the pore size of filter paper, the filtrate and the residue will be separated out. As you can see that the copper is stick to the surface of conical flask. It is the pure form of carbon which is precipitated in the reaction. Copper is a residue which is separated out in the filter paper. Zinc sulfate salt that is obtained in the bottom of the conical flask. It is mixed with the water. This is called as filtrate. Solid copper precipitate out that can be dried and reused in any of the reaction. Filtrate can also be evaporated to get zinc sulfate crystals. I hope you have wonderfully understood the displacement reaction between copper sulfate and zinc metal. And please subscribe the channel for more experiment videos.